Okay, I've now downloaded the Vipre removal tool. I'll run that. Vipre clean. Okay. Vipre is now finished, and asks for a system boot, so I will now let it reboot. Okay, it's now rebooting. And this has just come up on the screen now. Vipre is being completely removed from your system. Okay. And nope, it's not booting at the moment. So it looks like it's been removed. Okay. Now start new installation of Vipre. Continue installation. Oh, give it that. Continue installation, yes. Remove all items. Indicate whether you wish to remove all items during the on installation. Yes, remove all items. Well, I thought it had actually been removed. Now it says remove the program. Remove. Installation was complete. Finish. You must restart the computer for the changes to take effect. Right. I wasn't expecting that after using a removal tool. Okay, booting up again. Right, so that was the Vipre, I presumed it was the installation file which I just downloaded from your link. I'll try it again. Okay, let's see if it actually installs it this time. Okay, that seems to be installing it now. Next. No, it's not letting me select it. Okay, seems to be working now. Right, let's see what happens. Okay, it's now finished. Install wizard completed. Finish, and it's asking me for a reboot. So let it reboot. Let's see what happens. Here we go. Bingo. Yeah, no different. Sorry Jason, absolutely no different. You can see what comes up now. Trying to install, it's the usual system. If I drag this out of the way, try and just let it go through the setup wizard instead of constantly clicking and restarting, which I have been doing. So I'll just click next, try and get this installed out of the way. I don't use Outlook, so I'll disable that. Okay, let it do the 3 .NET, put it on the demo version for the time being, and remove the demonstration and click Finish. Now it's updating the risk definitions. It's now finished downloading the risk definitions. And it's now finished the updates. So click OK. Preparing to install. Aha, right, like it. That's fine, I can get that far again, so it's all worked. Close it down. Now what do I do with this? Please wait while Windows configures Vipre antivirus and you must restart. Well, as I've had in the past, I've allowed to reboot doing this a dozen, 15, 18 times on some occasions, and it still keeps coming back. So just to prove the point, I'll click yes, allow it to reboot. It has actually downloaded all the new definitions, so you can see it's now installed, and I'll let it reboot. It's now rebooted. It's going through the motions. Let's see if the Vipre icon appears here in the tray. Oh, here we go. And you must restart it. Okay, I'll let it restart. Off we go again. Back to desktop again. Go for the motions, loading up in my tray icons and the clock. And I don't know what I'm expecting Vipre to do now, unfortunately. Here we go again. And this is what happens every time I reboot. No matter how many times I let it reboot, this is what I get. So if I click, for example, now restart later, so click no. So I'll click no. It'll just go on infinitum until I tell it let it reboot, and then the same pattern just continues and continues and continues. The only way I can get out of it is then clicking cancel. Eventually it will stop. Vipre icon is in the tray, so what I'll do now is I'll create another. I'm just going for the installation again, so I can keep cancelling, not trying to stop it. I'll go to flipping it. No, cancel. I will go to the About Now and Support Tools, and I'll create another full log RAR file, and I'll send it to you with the link to this video. Thank you, I hope you can help.